A lot of people want to make money online. They have tried a lot of things and they have ended up with nothing but mere theories. Everything that they've seen so far have no practical, profitable, or proven way of ensuring that what they've learned actually yielded any result. Probably they've read a couple of ebooks, they've seen a lot of videos, and they spent hours and they spent weeks or even months trying to figure out things. What really works and how can you figure out exactly what works? Because 98% of these businesses that are paraded online are totally scam. Now, you can also agree with me that there are profitable online businesses where you can implement simple strategies, learn simple skills without complexity, and then you start earning in no sooner time. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Daniel Ebomo. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, you're highly welcome. On this channel, we'll talk about business opportunities, sales and marketing, and personal development. If any of this topic interests you, please do ensure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notified every time I create awesome videos such as this. Now, in this video, I'll be teaching you a simple and effective strategy that has been used by a lot of young meaning individuals to actually transform their lives. And this is a very simple business that it is not difficult to implement. It has a simple step-by-step strategies for you to implement and come out with tangible results in the soonest time possible. And what business am I talking about? Please do ensure you stick through to the end of this video as I will walk you through the process of what it entails, the benefits of this particular business, and how you can get started right away. In this particular video, I will show you a very simple and effective course that teaches you how to actually make a laudable amount of money weekly and with just the aid of your smartphone and your WhatsApp. So basically everything you need to get started, you already have it today. There are no extra tools. Every extra tool you would needing is optional, but once you have a smartphone, a data connection that is with a good internet connection, and then a WhatsApp on your phone, then you are definitely good to go. So what is this amazing business that gives you a weekly automated payout of every Friday, and you don't even need to create or have your own products, where you have access to tons of high quality life-changing products, and the best part is that you can earn up to 80% commission. This is really amazing. This is really mad. It is one of the simplest business models that is available on the internet that you can get started with today without even having everything. Just your smartphone, a good internet connection, and your WhatsApp. Now, imagine what it's going to feel like for you to be receiving weekly payouts every Friday. And you don't even need to own a single product. You don't have to go through the stress of creating products. You have access to lots of quality products. These products are life-changing and they are easily sold. The best part of it is, like I told you before, the commission is up to 80%. So for instance, if you are to sell a product of, let's say, 50,000 naira and the commission is 80%, you get as high as 40,000 naira. That is as simple as it is. So what I want to tell you, or the business I'm talking about today, is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. And in this next slides, I will be showing you tremendous results of young individuals like your own self who have been able to use the same business model to improve their lives and grow sustainable income online with just the aid of their smartphone. And you can also do this with yourself. So quickly, as you can see on my screen, these are the various testimonials of individuals who have used the same very platform I'm talking about and have they been able to make crazy sales in the soonest time possible. And all they had to do was do it with their smartphone and then with their internet connection and WhatsApp. Probably with time they've been able to use other optional methods, but you can also get started today with just your smartphone, and there are other benefits to doing this. So this is not an opportunity you should pass over. And one thing about this is a training that gives you ability to actually get other high income skills like copywriting, email marketing, web design and development, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, WhatsApp marketing, Twitter marketing, email marketing, and so much more. So there are a lot of things you've got to learn. Now, one thing I want to tell you, I always tell people is this: I am not, and I've never been a money making guru. But the person who's going to be listening to this very wonderful and unique video would walk you through the process of how to get started and everything you would be needing. So you don't even need anything. So if you know you are with a smartphone and you're willing to invest at least 3 hours per day into doing this, either you are a stay-home mom, you are a student, you're an undergraduate, you are a graduate looking for employment, or you're already working but your income is not enough and you're looking for something to supplement it as a passive income based on the fact that you want to grow your income also, or probably fund your business or live your dream lifestyle. I think this is the best bet you can ever have. So what do you need to do? It's very simple. In this business model, what you simply do as an affiliate marketer is you get products from individuals online and then you recommend this to people who actually need it. Now you don't just go and copy your link and share it everywhere. There are processes, there are stages, there are steps that you should follow that can help you turn a stranger to a paying customer. Now, for you to learn everything that I've just discussed, you would simply need to check the link in the description. This video is a very short video. Just check the link in the description and click on the link so you can get started right away. You don't have to wait till tomorrow. You don't have to procrastinate. You don't have to say, okay, I'll think about it. No, this is the best bet you need right now. This is the best bet you have right now because it is simple and easy to implement. There are step-by-step strategies that you can work with. And finally, you can get started right away with just your smartphone, a good internet connection, and of course your WhatsApp. So if you're interested in this video, please kindly ensure that you click the link in the description and the link in the first comment or the first link in the comment section so that you can get started right away. And what's what I want to tell you now, this is an opportunity you would never ever regret. Okay, so what you simply need to do now is quickly click on the link and ensure, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do ensure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notified. Thank you very much for seeing this video, and I will see you in the next video.